Hello, friends and students. Warm welcome to my channel. And today we are talking, or we will be discussing about a new topic, that is about Python and MicroPython. Python, what is MicroPython? Why it is important in today's scenario? And we'll take a small project, which will be a simple project where you can understand how to start, like step by step, how to start and how it will be. And next is on the basis of the same project, that is same this thing, we'll do it on IoT. That is, we'll do it on a web-based page. Okay. The same project we'll see a normal way, then we will do it with this thing. Okay. So before going into the project and the details, we'll understand what is Python. Python is a programming language. As all we know, it started in 1980. Very simple syntax and well reliable language, and it is designed to be very easy to learn. That was the idea from Mr. Van Rossum, right? He was a Dutch programmer who started this language. Used where exactly it was, where it was, why he made it, and where it was mostly used. That is web development. Maximum time you will find this particular language, that is Python. Data science also, a lot of things, but the latest data science, machine learning and all, we use Python language, right? And it is also used as a desktop development also, right? Processing, simulation, these type of things where it is mainly used. Okay. Now this was about the Python. Now what we will do is, what is MicroPython? That is the main subject. Okay. So we will go to MicroPython. What is MicroPython actually? So as you can see on your screen, MicroPython is a learn an efficient implementation of a Python 3 program. It is nothing but that we call it as a Python 3 program. Okay. It's a third generation of Python 3 program language, we call it. Specially designed to run a microcontroller and other embedded system. So when the word comes MicroPython, so keep it in mind one thing. It is designed to run a microcontroller, number one, and embedded system board. Okay, microcontroller and embedded system. As you can see on the bottom side, I have kept three boards. One is a Raspberry Pi B3 board, old board, is a controller board. So this board can be programmed with MicroPython. After that, the Raspberry Pi came with a Pico board. That is on the left-hand side, on the left-hand side corner. And of course, very popular board, that is ESP32 board. That is all these three boards we can program with MicroPython. Why? Why? Because they are embedded boards and they have a microcontroller. All right. So we will also see today the best one for beginners. So I suggest Thonny IDE is the best one, right? I hope you know what is IDE. It is integrated development environment. That means if you want to write a codes and put it inside the microcontroller, we need a software, a IDE, where you can just program it, reprogram it, and you can send the codes to your microcontroller. That is nothing but we call this IDE. So we'll use a Thonny IDE here. Okay. So after Thonny IDE, ideal for beginners. Please remember the project what we are doing today is a sensor data, simple sensor data, and take the output, or we will see what is the output from that, and we will see different way. One, I told you the project title, that is first project, vibration detection system using Raspberry Pi Pico W and MicroPython. That is simple project where I have used a vibration detector. It will give you some output, some indication that we will see. Second project is vibration alert system. Same thing what we did in the first one. Here what we will do, we will see it on the dashboard through our Wi-Fi system. Why? Because we are using a board called Pico W, which has a facility of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on it. So we will do both the projects. Okay. So first is simple one. The second one is little this thing. Okay. So components, what we have used here, simple, very simple. Raspberry Pi Pico W board we have used. One vibration sensor. It can be tilt sensor, it can be vibration. You have different modules in the present in this thing. You can use any of the modules. Only the things what we require is up, high and low. We have to do it. That is, the output should be high and low. So we have used LED for indication purpose. Of course, for serial connection, that is to connect an LED, we have used a 220 ohm resistor, breadboard, jumper wire, and micro USB cable for connecting your board. So these are the parts which have been used. I have given a code in this particular this thing, that is the first project what we are doing. It's a code, a simple code in this. You can see how the codes are there in MicroPython. You can all, why I'm teaching you, giving you all these things, because you should be able to do it yourself. That is the idea, to start with the MicroPython. That is the idea. Okay. First of all, I will just tell you how to download Python, that is Thonny IDE for MicroPython. So you just on the Google page and your this thing, just type Thonny IDE, THEHONNY, Thonny IDE. Like it has already come over here. I will just click on this Thonny IDE. Okay, the Thonny first one. So go to the first one, that is the first what you see here. Now, after coming up to this Thonny IDE page, depending upon your system, that is Windows, Mac, Linux, which system you have. Suppose I have a Windows system. So I'll go to Windows system and I'll officially download 64, 32-bit if it is old one, 60-bit Python with Python and all, 32-bit this thing. So select it according to this thing, and you just Windows 8.1, 10, 11, it supports everywhere. So you just click on this particular these things. I'm not clicking it by since because I'm already having it. Okay. So this is the process. You download the Thonny IDE. So after downloading, you will find a shortcut made on your desktop. Click the desktop. That is that desktop shortcut. You have to click it. You will come to this page. Okay, this is the page, but it will be blank in this page. And how to go or how to start with the things and all. Since I have already written the codes over here, so I will just a moment. I will just tell you about the codes and all. But since this is the Thonny IDE, you can see. So it will be like this. So first of all, what you have to do is you just see, I will just explain you one by one. So connect a USB cable. All right. You take a USB cable and connect this to your board over here. Okay. Your board. But before connecting it on the board, here also this the circuit is complete, but I will just telling you how to load the program and all. That's how I'm explaining you. So I will just put, there is a button that is boot cell button. I will just press it and I will just put this plug inside. Okay. As soon as I put, I will remove it. Okay. So I will get a page like this on the screen. I will try to show it to you. Page will be opened like this. There are two files you can see. You have your information and HTML page. So what you have to do is just go to index HTML page. Okay. As soon as you go to index HTML page, it will take you to the Raspberry Pi documentation page. Okay. We have come to this page, that is the Raspberry Pi home page. So just here it is written MicroPython, come down little, right? come down a little. Here you will find download the correct MicroPython files. It's written, you have to file. Here you have to select your board. If your board is Pico, you select Pico. If your board is Pico W, you select Pico W. So I will just select Pico W. Automatically, it will load here. You can see it has already loaded here, this file. So this file, I will take it there and with that file, I will just come here, the same folder. I will just paste it here. You can see here, I will just paste it here. As soon as I paste it here, this will load, it will go to my hardware that is inside the board, and this page will disappear automatically. Okay, so this page will disappear automatically. So now we have come back to our that main page, that is our IDE, Thonny IDE. You can see here the program is there. So what next step after doing that, that is the loading the page RP2 file into it, what you have to do it next. So as soon as you come here, you go to tools, then to the option, right? In the option, you will get this type of board. That means you get a Thonny option. In the option, you will find an interpreter will be there. You just click it and you have to select correct board. Whatever board I have used here, you have to select our Raspberry Pi Pico board and the COM port. So please remember, COM port is very, very important. If COM port is not this thing, then it is not shown. Then you have other different processes there. You can just find it out. It's very, very easy. Okay. Now, after the COM port selection, just say OK. Okay. As soon as you say OK, I will come back to the page over here. You can find a stop button over here on the top. I will just press that button. You can see when I press that button, that is in my shell area, this thing has come. That means it is showing what it is showing, that my board is ready. How you will come to know? You find a 3 dots, that is increasing, this thing will be there. And this, now let's go to the program. This is my program. Okay, so this is my main program. So what is the program like? I will just explain you. Before explaining, I will just tell you about the circuit, please. I will give you the circuit. So this is my Pico board, right? W, that is Wi-Fi. And I have given 3.3 volts connection to my sensor. This is my sensor. Okay, this is my sensor. And this is my LED. So my sensor LED is connected to pin number 14. Okay, and sensor is connected to pin number 15. Okay, so 15, this blue color wire, you can find it here. This is going to 15, and the sensor through a resistor are connected, and this is ground pin and this is supply pin. Please remember this 5 number pin, that is the fifth number, 1 2 3 4 5, that is 3.3 volts are given from here and it is coming over here. All right, so this is done like this. Okay, right. Now you have to say, what you have to do before this program is written in this thing. I will explain you about the program first. So from machine import pin, import time, that is time. And like in C programs, we have seen the libraries, no? In the beginning, the same here also. The machine import pin, we are discussing about machine is now about the board pins, and import time, that is the time what we are selecting. And we are giving in pin, that is input pin 15, that is sensor, and output pin 14, that is your LED. Simple. And print vibration detection system ready. When it is will be the in the shell, when it is ready, vibration detection system ready. When you switch it on for the first time, while true, if sensor value is 0, the low means vibration detected. Okay, and vibration detected we call, there is as a gap we have given is 0.5, that is a half a second, and it will be off and on. That is both the things we on and off we are given to the commands to the LED, and time sleep is 0.1 second. Okay, so let's run this program. How to run this program? You have a button over here, that is a run current script. Okay, so just press this button, it will directly go into this thing. So you can see here the light has come. All right. Okay, now you can't make it out because both the lights are there. So I will just do one thing. I will just show you how the things are working. Instead, I will just show you like this. The light stopped. Okay. Vibration detected, but now the vibration has not been detected because it stopped now. It is not coming now because here in this area, it is not working. Now what I will do is I will just vibrate it a little because now it is in vertical position. I will just tilt it. Now you can see the light has come, and here also you will find vibration detected, the program. It will be coming over here. Okay, vibration detected. If you see the monitor, it will be showing. Again, I will stop it, right? So this is my vibration sensor, and how the output has come in the MicroPython. Very simple project, very easy to do it. You please try yourself. Very, very simple. You will not find it difficult. Of course, the codes and everything I will share with you. I hope like this video. I'll go for the second part of this video also, where I will show you same code. Additionally, we have done an IoT project also, right? If you like it, if you have any comments, please do write to me. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.